Assalamu alaikum. Welcome to online English class presented by Modinatunnisa, lecturer in English, Dr. Abdul Mannan Mohila College, Kotiadi, Kishoreganj. Dear students, today we are going to read a very interesting and informative short poem from your English first paper textbook English for Today, Unit 3, Lesson 2, Dreams by Langston Hughes. Learning outcome. By the end of the lesson, you will be able to read and discuss the poem in translation, develop your critical thinking, write a summary of the poem, and write a theme of the poem. Let's know something about the poet. His full name is James Marcel Langston Hughes. He was born in 1901 and died in 1967. He was an American poet, social activist, novelist, playwright, and columnist. He was one of the earliest inventors of the then new literary art form called jazz poetry. Hughes is best known as a leader of the Harlem Renaissance. Let's see some word meaning with their synonyms and antonyms. The first word is hold, akre dhora, to have, possession. Its synonym is fasten and antonym is free. The next word is fast, jore, in a firm and fixed manner. Its synonym is firmly and antonym is loosely. Dream. Its Bangla meaning is shapno, a series of thoughts, images or emotions occurring during sleep. Its synonym is fantasy and antonym is reality. Barren, unurbor, not reproducing. Its synonym is unproductive and antonym is fertile. Frozen, ঠান্ডায় জমে গিয়েছে এমন, treated, affected or crusted over by freezing. Its synonym is icy and antonym is warm. The title of the poem Dreams is very appropriate because dream is in the front and center position in the poem. Here, the poet in a short and sweet style urges the readers to hold fast to their dreams. Let's read the poem. Hold fast to dreams, for if dreams die, life is a broken-winged bird that cannot fly. Hold fast to dreams means don't let go of your dreams. For if dreams die means because when you give up your dreams, life is a broken-winged bird. Life becomes as helpless and as hopeless as a life of a broken-winged bird that cannot fly. A broken-winged bird cannot enjoy her life. In the same way, if we do not have any aim in our life or dreams in our life, we cannot enjoy our life. Our life becomes very dull. Let's read the poem once again. Hold fast to dreams, for if dreams die, life is a broken-winged bird that cannot fly. স্বপ্নগুলো আঁকড়ে ধরো, কারণ স্বপ্ন যদি মরে, জীবনটা হয় ডানা ভাঙা পাখির মতো উড়তে যে না পারে. Here, two things are very noteworthy in if dreams die idea. Here, the poet doesn't substitute dreams for a pronoun, although grammar rules would allow they to be used in the place of dreams with no confusion about what they refers to. The choice to use dreams as a repeated pronoun speaks of their significance, their importance in the poem. The second thing worth noting is if dreams die. Here the poet says if, he doesn't say when. If indicates that such a fate is only a possibility and people can avoid such fate if they are conscious about their selection of dreams, about their goals of life. Okay, students, let's read the second stanza, Hold Fast to Dreams. Here the poet once again urges his readers to hold fast to their dreams. For if dreams go, because when you give up your dreams, life is a barren field, life becomes unproductive, frozen with snow. Here, the poet compares losing of dreams to living in a snow-covered, barren field where there is no life, no joy, and nothing grows. So students, hope you have realized the importance of dream in our life. Actually, if you don't have any dream in your life, you will go nowhere. There will be no goal to reach. So, we must know what we want to do and follow that ambition. We can't achieve anything in life without goals, and for these goals, we need to dream. এখানে কবি ছোট একটা কবিতা, 8 লাইনের একটি কবিতা, সেখানে কবি হোল্ড ফাস্ট টু ড্রিমস একই লাইন দুটো স্ট্যাঞ্জার স্টার্টিংয়ে ব্যবহার করেছেন। আর এভাবে তিনি আমাদেরকে দেখিয়ে দিয়েছেন স্বপ্নটাকে আঁকড়ে ধরার, সুনির্দিষ্ট লক্ষ্য স্থির করা জীবনের জন্য কতটা অপরিহার্য এবং কতটা গুরুত্বপূর্ণ। আশা করি তোমরা বুঝতে পেরেছ। Now let's take a deeper look at what Hughes may have been trying to convey in this poem. The first stanza compares a life without dreams to a broken-winged bird. আমরা দেখেছি প্রথম স্ট্যাঞ্জায় কবি জীবনটাকে, স্বপ্নহীন জীবনকে একটি ডানা ভাঙা পাখির সঙ্গে তুলনা করেছেন। A broken-winged bird's life has no purpose, such in the same way, life without dreams has no purpose. These are the types of dreams you have at night while you are fast asleep, rather the dreams of your future, the things you hope for, or the goals you want to achieve. আমরা এর আগে D.H. লরেন্সের কবিতা পড়েছি ড্রিমস, সেখানে তিনি দুই ধরনের স্বপ্নের কথা বলেছেন। একটি রাত্রিবেলা আমরা ঘুমের মধ্যে যে স্বপ্ন দেখি সেটা, আর দ্বিতীয় ধরনের স্বপ্ন ছিল জীবনের সুনির্দিষ্ট লক্ষ্য স্থির করা। আর এই কবিতায় হিউজ এক ধরনের স্বপ্নের কথাই বলেছেন, আর এই স্বপ্নটা সেটা নয় যেটা আমরা ঘুমের মধ্যে দেখি, যেটা আমাদের একটা বায়োলজিক্যাল প্রক্রিয়া, সেই স্বপ্ন নয়। তিনি সেই স্বপ্নের কথা বলেছেন যেটা আমাদের ভবিষ্যতের স্বপ্ন, আমরা যা কিছু পাবার আকাঙ্ক্ষা করি, যেই লক্ষ্যে আমরা পৌঁছাতে চাই, সেই স্বপ্নের কথা কবি এখানে বলেছেন। In the second stanza, the poet again urges readers to hold fast to his or her dreams. Here, he compares the loss of dream to living in a snow-covered barren field where there is no life, no joy, and nothing grows. Let's answer some questions. The first question, what is Hughes telling his readers to do? The second question is, why does he want his readers to hold fast to their dreams? And the third question, why, according to Hughes, are dreams so important in our lives? Let's try to answer them. The first answer is Hughes is telling his readers to hold fast to their dreams. The second answer, he wants his readers to hold fast to their dreams, as without dreams, life is motionless like a broken winged bird and unproductive like a barren field. And the answer to the question number 3 is, according to Hughes, dreams are very important because without dreams, our lives become dull and meaningless. What are the meaning of the following words and phrases? A broken winged bird, Dana bhanga pakhi, things capable of doing nothing. It refers to an aimless life. Barren field, Onurbor jome. It refers to field where nothing grows. Refers to the uselessness of life without dreams. Frozen, বরফাচ্ছাদিত, covered with snow. It refers to the lifelessness. Let's try to make a summary of the poem. The poem Dreams highlights the importance of dreams in our life. Dreams play a vital role in the life of human being. There is a correction. It will be they, not the. They help man to reach their desired goal. So people should hold fast their dreams, because if dreams are lost, their lives will be inactive, motionless, meaningless and joyless like a broken winged bird that cannot fly. Again, without dreams, life becomes unproductive like a snow-covered barren field from where nobody can expect any crop or benefit. Now, let's try to make a theme of the poem. The importance of dream in man's life is beautifully highlighted in the poem. Dream is shown here as the driving force in life. Life without dreams is meaningless, motionless, joyless and unproductive. Okay students, love to see you all. Join my next class. Till then, Allah Hafiz.